I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to tell you all you need to know about Infusible ink. If you already have a Cricut machine, you've probably used iron-on. So with iron-on and vinyl, in fact, what you do is you cut out your design and then you apply it onto a blank, onto a surface, and it will sit on that surface layer and adhere to it. Infusible ink is completely different and it will blow your mind. So here I have an example of a cosmetics bag made using a sheet of infusible ink. And as you can see, this design is actually infused into the fabric. It's baked in. It works in a similar way to iron-on. So you need an easy press in order to heat activate it and make the ink infuse into your fabric. You heat it up to a much higher temperature than what you do with iron-on, so it actually kind of bakes in. No amount of rubbing or stretching will make this design go away. The colours are really bright and it is such a professional looking finish. Infusible ink comes in two forms, so you can get sheets like these boxes here. It comes in loads of different colours and designs, so there are patterns, there are planes, all sorts. If I open up a sheet here, you can see the top layer has got the ink on it, and then on the reverse there's a shiny carrier sheet. You place the sheet onto your mat and feed it through your machine so it can cut out whatever design you've programmed into Design Space. This is actually the design that I used for this cosmetics bag here, and as you can see, the colours on the finished design are way brighter than what they are on the sheet, so that's just something to bear in mind. Infusible ink also comes in pens. So with pens, you can either draw or write your own design freehand onto a regular piece of copier paper and then use your easy press to heat activate it and transfer that design so that it infuses into your blank. Or you can pop your pens into your Cricut machine, any of the machines will work, and then draw your chosen design onto some copier paper that you then transfer onto your desired blank. Here are a couple of examples for me to show you using Infusible ink pens. So this is a coaster, and my daughter designed this very cute little motif on a piece of paper, and then we used the easy press to transfer it onto this ceramic coaster. And she also designed this cute t-shirt, again using the Infusible ink pens onto a piece of paper that we then transferred onto the t-shirt. When you're making a project using Infusible ink, you must make sure that your blank, so whatever you want to create your design on, is an Infusible ink compatible product. So you always need to look out for this logo here. There are loads of different blanks that you can get from Cricut. So there are hard blanks like these coasters here. These ones have a cork base, and these lovely ones here are ceramic, which we've also used as hanging decorations as well as coasters. And then there are loads and loads of soft blanks, all sorts of things from t-shirts to tote bags, drawstring bags, pillowcases, cosmetics bags, and loads more. I absolutely love using Infusible ink in my projects. It just looks so professional and it lasts forever. And the colours are so vibrant. It's really, really easy to use. Hopefully that's answered all your questions about Infusible ink. Please look out for our other videos for project ideas and more hints and tips. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.